everyone, I am Pallavi Kasande.
Namaste, I am Anand Chabukswar.
I am a psychologist and a counselor,
I am a therapy practitioner.
and we both are teachers and trainers as well. Do you know what counseling psychology is? We are here to briefly discuss this concept in our course. It is said that counseling is a wonderful invention of 20th century, which has become now an integral part of our personal and corporate life. We live in a complex and changing world. More often than not, we live and cope with life experiences reasonably well. But sometimes we may find some events or life situations too stressful to deal with.
Usually we find ways to deal with difficult situations. We talk to our friends, parents, teachers, relatives, or sometimes to family doctors. They may give us suggestions or advice too. But sometimes this kind of help is not sufficient, and we do need an expert, a trained person who will listen to us and listen without inducing more stress or shame or guilt.
Perfect. And that person is a counselor, a professional psychological counselor, someone who follows a rational, logical process to interact with someone in need. A counselor uses different methods and techniques through which he or she tries to help the person to come out of unhelpful thoughts and feelings. Hence, it is an option for those who need help in their stress, pain or mental health needs.
The present course in counseling psychology is intended to help the student to understand this methodical process that is called counseling. It unfolds over a span of 12 weeks. The course content is made up of lectures, exercises, case studies, role plays and videos, all based on the actual field experiences and implementation of therapy and treatment protocols.
The course curriculum comprises of various approaches to counseling, various methods and techniques of counseling. It also has modules on current and new methods. These things are art based therapy, Indian approach to counseling, sexuality education and counseling for senior citizens. Along with these modules, the course will bring few live and interactive sessions. These will be planned and dates announced so that people can participate in live discussions.
Who can become a student of this counseling psychology course? Students who are doing graduation in psychology can choose this course. They can earn additional 4 credits. Students of science, arts or commerce studies can also opt for this course. Social workers and lawyers who work with cases will also find this course content relevant. And because the course includes ideas for self-counseling, it is generally relevant to anyone who has an interest in counseling. Anyone who wants to work for the society and help others will find this course useful.
Of course, one can't start or set up independent psychological counseling practice immediately after the course. For that, practical work with guidance of a mental health practitioner is necessary. But this could be a first step in this direction. We wish you the very best to start and complete this course. Please attend all the modules carefully, complete the assignments and activities. All of this together will enable an understanding of the subject. So, students, enroll quickly to know more about counseling psychology.
And we heartily wish you the very best.